Assalamu alaikum. Open After Effects source file which you downloaded. Click on third left button to unhide layer. Go to Effect Controls to change settings. Make sure to select controller layer. I will adjust background color. To add logo first, change composition setting according to file which I want to use. We will adjust width and height according to file. Make into standard screen size and click OK. Open logo composition, hide existing layer. Go to project panel and right click. Go to import and click file. Double click on image file. Drag image file to layer panel and then click on main tab. Now we will change text. After you can see we have changed image. After opening text composition, double click the text layer. Type your required text. You can type anything you want. Now go back to main composition. As you can see, template is ready to render. Now you can go to render composition from project panel. If you don't know how to render a After Effects source file, you can see my video part 3. Link is in description. Thank you for watching.